What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we are making apple crisp. Y'all, this recipe is so simple and so delicious. Promise you won't be disappointed. Here is all the ingredients you need, and don't worry, they'll all be listed in the description below. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first thing we're going to do is our apple mixture. We have our apples chopped up. You can do them in slices, whatever floats your boat. Just get your apples cut down. Here goes some sugar on top of our apples. Also going to throw some flour on there. Don't worry, all the measurements will be in the description. Here comes some cinnamon, and we're just going to give that some love, tossing it all together, making sure all those flavors are on every bit of those apples. Here is the final product, looking beautiful, glistening. Now let's go ahead and get into our crumble. There goes some quick oats, some brown sugar, and some flour. And a cooker's tip right here, do not use the wooden spoon. Go ahead and grab a fork and incorporate all those ingredients together. And once we've just mixed up those ingredients a little bit, then we're going to go ahead and throw in our butter. And like I said, y'all, make sure to use a fork, not a wooden spoon, or, the fork was just way easier after I had used it to mash the butter down. Look at how beautiful our crumble looks. So now we're going to make sure that our pan is buttered because we don't want nothing sticking to the bottom. And we're just going to throw our apples in there. Right after the apples are all settled, we're going to go ahead and get the crumble and start putting the crumble on top. And just evenly distribute that all over the top of your apples, making sure all of them have some coverage. Because you want this crumble in every bite. Trust me, y'all, this crumble is so delicious. And there we have it. Here is our final product after we've pulled it out of the oven. Golden, beautiful, delicious, and now we are on to plating. So we're just going to put some of that crumble down first. Oh, I should say crisp, not crumble. And as of course, as much as you want, then you have to put your ice cream on top, because that's just what you do with apple crisp. And look at how beautiful, y'all. So delicious, so easy. This recipe has to be done at least maybe once a month, okay? No excuses. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming back to me. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and share with your friends. And until next time, y'all,